in milk, and that's all there is at the moment. We have our eggs waiting to be boiled. 2 per person, or if you're feeling very hungry you could have more. So we'll just let that simmer and we wait for the cucumber to soften, and then we'll drain off the cucumber. Okay, the cucumber is soft now, so we're going to drain the juice.
So we're going to see now if our economy candidate has made it to movement number 3, your movement.
Yeah, we're now going to go right back to staff.
Right, stop filming. Milk juice and the cucumber sat there, and we've got some butter.
That's commitment.
So we're going to have a big blob of butter and melt that down.
I'm just hoping it would feel like very much up to that.
I think it's a definite. It's lovely to meet you.
We get some plain or self-raising flour. I don't think it matters in this sort of thing. Okay, take some flour. Take a big heaped teaspoon. Probably another big heaped teaspoon. I'm just going to make like a flour sort of paste. So it goes like that. It's like a ball, like a dough ball. So it's butter and flour melted. Okay, so what we're going to do now is slowly add the milk, but slowly. And just add bit by bit. So we're just going to keep adding milk. No, we don't. You're wasting the milk, mate. Don't spill any more, because that's got all the juice in it. All the flavour.
Watch them flow. Ooh. Mommy, can I have a cherry?
I'm making a video for Uncle Rick, so he knows how to make it.
We can add some normal milk as well. Add it slowly, otherwise it'll go lumpy. Okay, so once you've got your sauce and your milk, extra milk, add extra milk, and then add your cucumber back, and it should be a nice thick sauce. And then you can add some salt and pepper. So add some salt and pepper.
How are we doing, Lou?
Fine. Okay, so we've got the eggs boiled and they're being peeled. This is ready to go. And now we've got toast on.
Now you're trying this. You'll love it.
Mum, they're separate.
They are.
Separate.
Absolutely, I love it.
I hate cucumber.
Yeah, but it's different when it's done this way.
It's not, you're not getting...
Yeah, you got
To check out this next guy.